My name is Shalu Verma. I am basically from Patiala, Punjab. I am working as an international recruitment manager in an MNC, which is located in Gurgaon. Now I am planning to study in Canada because I am lacking some leadership skills. I have done my graduation in B.Ed. So seeking for some management skill, I have just started doing my project management program in Algoma University. I am just waiting for my visa confirmation, then I can fly there. I have received my letter of acceptance from Algoma University, Mississauga campus, and the course name is Graduate Certificate Project Management. As I told earlier, I am working as an international recruitment manager, but I am lacking some management skills. I am unable to analyze the data as my manager is doing because of the management degree. That's why I prefer to do this project management course. I love this subject. It's a multidiscipline course. For example, I have completed my bachelor in education, and if I am doing project management, I'll be completing the management skills from the basic level only. And it will be after completing this graduate certificate, I'll be completing my basic degree requirement to pursue further in my career. I joined this industry as an international recruitment officer. While doing the work, I was lacking the skills. For example, when we are having some town hall meetings, we have some other kinds of meeting. I was the only person who was lacking in the skills because I know the procedure. I know how to tackle my agents, how to tackle my work. I am very hardworking, but a degree is a basic requirement in India. To grow in India, it is essential to have a degree. So management degree is required if we are in a MNC. So that's why I plan to do this. While doing the research, firstly I was planning for a master in business administrative, but the basic requirement in USA, Australia, New Zealand is GRE GMAT, or they were seeking for a bachelor degree earlier to start a master degree there. So I was lacking in that, but it was my wish to start a degree in management. Then I come to know about Algoma University. I was following their Instagram page. When I checked and researched about the content which I'll be studying in the course, I get much satisfied. I can do it easily because I'll be learning the management or leadership from the basic level, which will be very essential for a non-business background student. That's why I selected this course in the same university. I prepared my IELTS test in 2022. I started doing in the month of November, but unfortunately, I felt sick. I had dengue at that time. I was on bed rest for 10 days, but I didn't lose hope. I thought I should give the exam at anyhow. I woke up and just start doing the preparation again. I was working 9 to 9, I could say. I'm working in MNC. It's a remote mode, so I need to work for the full day. So after 9, I just pick up my reading scripts. I start reading on those. I was using the Google. Google is the best platform if you want to do IELTS. Don't be nervous if anybody will be doing IELTS. Just try to read the scripts from there. You can get the listening scripts from YouTube as well, which I use a lot.